I think the other big thing to mention here, just as, and this is really more particular to email, but what we're calling here dynamic content. And so that what that means is that based on something that you know about a particular customer, you've seen some examples, actions, purchases, interest, stages that they're in terms of like the marketing funnel where they are with your business. What you can do is you can use dynamic content. So a simple example that I'll give you would be if you're selling pet supplies and you know somebody has a dog versus having a cat, well, you could use products, you can use images of cats and cat products for the cat owner, and you can use dogs and dog products for the dog owner, right? That's a simple way to think about it. On the screen here, we see an example of Shabby Chic, who is a homes furnishing company. And so people that have shown interest in pillows can get content about pillows and product suggestions versus couches and different things like that, right? And so these are all ways you can really start to use the technology to help you make things more relevant to the people receiving them, and at the end of the day, get you better results.